This is the Colorado Bureau of Investigation with a blue alert. We have received this important announcement regarding a seriously injured peace officer in Teller County, Colorado. The Colorado State Patrol is searching for a white, male, with facial hair and brown or blonde shoulder-length hair last seen in the vicinity of Highway 24 and Piney Point Lane at 7:15 this morning. The suspect may be traveling in a blue Subaru Impreza that has no or obscured license plates. This individual may be armed and dangerous. Do not approach. If you have any information, please call 911.